Ensuring the cleanliness of your home involves more than just cleaning the bathroom. It's equally crucial to focus on carpets and upholstery. These surfaces accumulate dust and germs, posing potential health risks. Regular vacuuming, ideally once or twice a week, is essential to keep carpets free of dust, hair, and debris. For households with kids or pets, a more frequent cleaning schedule is advisable due to increased dirt tracking from outside. In this video, we'll tell you how to clean your carpet and upholstery and explore the best practices for removing stains. Addressing spills promptly is key to effective stain removal. Treating stains before they dry is essential, as dried stains are more challenging to eliminate after penetrating the fabric. Use carpet cleaning products that won't harm or worsen stains. Having a carpet shampoo on hand is advisable for quick spill removal. Natural cleaning products like white vinegar, baking soda, table salt, and milk can also be effective. Instead of rubbing, gently dab stains with a white cloth, especially crucial for white carpets. Domestic cleaning services can be hired for specialized stain removal. Molds, especially in damp environments, can damage carpets, and swift removal is essential. An all-natural cleaning solution can be prepared using vinegar, baking soda, salt, a spray bottle, sponge, and gloves. Add ingredients to the bottle, shake, and spray affected area. Let it rest for 15-20 minutes, then scrub with a sponge. And remember, even when using natural cleaning products, it's a good idea to wear gloves. If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cleaning tips. Pet odors can be a real nuisance, but there's a simple solution. Mix baking soda with a few drops of essential oil, shake it over the carpet, and work it in with a broom. Let it sit for a while, and then vacuum. Lemon, orange, or lavender oils work particularly well. Domestic cleaning services can also assist in maintaining a fresh-smelling home. As for your upholstery, dust and dirt can quickly diminish its appearance. Regular cleaning and prompt stain removal are essential. Baking soda is an effective and natural cleaning agent. Fill a shaker with baking soda, cover stained areas, let it sit for 15 minutes, then lightly dab and vacuum. Alternatively, you can use rubbing alcohol, with at least 70% alcohol content. Spray it on the upholstery, rub with a microfiber cloth, and let it dry. So, while maintaining a clean and healthy home involves more than just cleaning rooms, with these easy-to-follow steps, you can keep your carpets and upholstery looking and smelling fresh. And remember, for those tougher jobs, professional cleaning services are just a call away.
If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, or let us know what you thought by commenting below.